Uy, nakompleto na ang asul, pula, dilaw.
Just around this corner. Follow me. Hurry, this way. We can get out here.
Yeah, 10:45.
Double checking ticket here. All right.
Ito pala yung City Hall nila, boys and girls. Dito naglalakad kami dito sa main street nila or yung downtown.
Saskatchewan 363 West, then turn right onto First Avenue Northwest.
Napakaganda nung kanina, nung tunnel experience namin. What's up, boys and girls? It's your boy, Randy Boy! Day 2 in Saskatchewan! So, yun. Boys and girls, bumalik kami dito kay Mac the Moose kasi andito yung information, no? Pumasok na ako kanina and nag-inquire ako about dun sa Tunnels of Moose Jaw at saka itong Tourism Moose Jaw. Sasakay ka dyan sa bus nila and ito. Tapos pag sumakay ka dyan, ito yung daytime trolley tour. Ayan. Ayan. Ito na pala, hindi na tayo pumunta, mag-picture lang tayo rito, Crescent Park. Naomi, oh, train. Ito yung train natin. Ito pala yung nasa labas. Ay, sorry.
Interactive. Down on the third person.
Just around this corner. Follow me.
She was not prepared for what they found. To hear
Hurry,
was the
this way. We can get out here.
Pinindot namin.
It's locked.
Wait, I hear somebody.
Hindi, mabubuksan yun pero nakala.
Naku, may nakakulong dyan na yun.
Ito yung makikita natin sa Tunnel of Moose Jaw. Ayun,
Dito yung ano, usap.
ayun nga yung Tunnel of Moose Jaw. Mga ano na to, jackets, souvenirs. Ref magnet, baka gusto nyo.
Mas John, man.
So ito pala yung historical Moose Jaw. Dito kami ngayon sa downtown nila, kaya pala siya maraming mga kwento. Kasi hanggang ngayon, luma pa yung mga building nila. Ito yung main street, no? Mostly yung mga establishment is mga from 1960s, 1950s. Ano, tara mo yung Kami?
Hindi aesthetic yung film.
Let's go. Yan na, nagtutur sila. Oh. Sana nakasama tayo sa group na yun.
Sabay tayo sa likod din.
Baliw. Oh, dali.
ask a question?
Yes, of course.
Where's the tunnel of Moose, Joe?
The tunnels are right here. The ramp brings you to the door to the ticket office.
Alright, thank you.
Yes, enjoy.
Dami nilang tour guide. Siguro talagang marami silang historical dito. No? Di ba pangalawa na yun na asalubong natin?
Grabe yung ano niyo. Ito. Scan those codes in Snapchat and put yourself into our tour space. 22nd company. Huwag na yan. Ano to? Pastor. Ay.
Alis. Ito yung naaral ko. Bakit?
Bili na kami. 10:45 tayo, ano. Ang binayaran ni Ona Girl ay 171 for all of us. And dito tayo pupunta. Sa tunnel. Ayan. So, pinapili kami. Tatlo yung option tour. We have the Bunker 24. Ano yan, transports you to 1958, the Cold War. And then we have the Chicago Connection. You are bootleggers in 1929. And then yung Passage to Fortune. Yan naman yung sinasabing passage ng mga early Chinese immigration in Canada. Pero pinili namin yung Chicago Connections para kay Al Capone. Uy, nakompleto na ang asul, pula, dilaw.
Represent.
Are you guys on this tour?
Yeah,
Yes,
10:45.
double check your ticket here. All right. There's more people coming.
No.
Are here, but across the street at the cafe. Please follow us.
Here we go, boys and girls. Let's go. Pumunta tayo sa kabilang street para doon daw kayo mag-start ng tour. Papasok kami sa tunnel. Babe? Ito dapat.
Part ng tour na to. Part na lang tour to. Baka dito siya nagtago.
Doon kami galing sa kabila.
All right, you can go up the stairs and have a seat.
In the 1920s, the sprawling, brawling, skyscraper-studded city of Chicago ruled the American heartland. And one man seemed to rule Chicago. A racketeer, pimp, bootlegger, and cold-blooded named Al Capone. Torrio and Capone would go on to form a partnership that would shape the future of organized crime. It all began on January 17, 1920, when a new constitutional amendment prohibiting the sale and manufacture of alcoholic beverages went into effect.
Organization flourished, but for Capone, we're talking Capone personally, it was the end.
Naomi, how's the tour?
Nakatakot.
Ha?
Yung gate kasi nasa to, mag-isa.
Sulit, boys and girls. Pala yung City Hall nila, boys and girls. Dito naglalakad kami dito sa main street nila or yung downtown. Wala paglabas namin kanina. Ayan. Sa alley kami dumaan, boys and girls. At ayun, yun lang naman yung pinuntahan namin, yung main street, downtown. Thank you. At ngayon, kakain na kami ng lunch bago tumuloy ng Regina muna pala. Dadaan kami Regina, tapos Winnipeg. May rice sila rito. Popeyes, thank you Pao, sponsor. Okay, bago pumunta ng Regina, pagas muna kami dito sa Moose Jaw. Napakaganda nung kanina, nung tunnel experience namin. Para siyang role playing, no? May mga tao, may mga wax na figure na nandun. Parang realistic siguro yung datingan. Kasi may mga totoong baril sila, may mga alak na display, at kung ano-ano pa. Yun. So ngayon punta naman kami ng Regina. Tapos after Regina, Winnipeg.